my first time here. I heard about that event, so it was a good opportunity to visit Dongdaemun, and that place is very nice, very nice. I really appreciate it. The color is pretty, and the sound, the music, very peaceful, chilly. Yeah.
It's very beautiful, and like the vibe is so serene everywhere, and I think it's really beautiful that people come together to see beautiful things. So yeah, it's so cool.
We are very excited to see what's going on, and I've never seen a show this big.